Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures in my mama's house, throwing down for the family. We got some green tomatoes we're doing here. Let's see if y'all can see that. Yeah, I got the green tomatoes sliced up. We got them right here, frying up. I don't know if y'all know anything about this. Got a photo bomber here, Kendy. He want to be famous.
I am.
But we got some squash we cooked up here. Fried squash, yellow squash. We doing it up. You know I got to bring my greens. Big pot of greens over here cooking up. Y'all can see that, see the steam. You got some greens in there with a smoked neck bone. And like I said, we cooking it up. Back at home for the 4th. We doing it early. And later on, we slip this catfish on. We're gonna have some deep fried catfish. All right, we'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures down here in Southeast Missouri, Lear Bone. All right, we'll see you.